Good morning, guys. I have another smoothie, Saturday smoothie for breakfast. A combination of apple, celery, kale, spinach, cucumber, what else? Honey and dates, and also lemon. For digestion, it's good. I've been doing smoothies since 2nd of Jan for breakfast, and that's my first meal of the day. So, bisan unsa lang yun siya nga combination. Kaya I feel so bloated the past months, and I think it really helps. This smoothie.